T-Dog, me never know say you was a messenger. Oh Lord, me never know you was a mess. Are you a Luciana? Are you the artist? Are you sing messenger? Oh, people, love this, I love bump. Oh, me catch a love bump, sir. Oh, me catch a love bump, yeah. I mean, I'm not in mackerel. I all love me out there. I all me catch a love bump, yeah. What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? What's up? Marcia get the message. Marcia get the message. People, can you believe, say? Has me done and I go upload the video. Me hear bong when me look Marcia gone live, brother. So me jump on the live because me say this I can't pick our ag incident. I must roach incident. Must some insect incident. I can't animal incident. So me jump on the live. And they are listen now. When me a listen, somebody got type in the comment something about Tina and what she a say like them a say. When Marcia come and talk about somebody type in the comment and like she a say. And what Tina say on one live or something like so. So Marcia, you know, she's steering. How what Tina say about me there? How what Tina say about me? I want to mean that. I want to go on out there. I don't know if you're style already. So, everybody else in the comment know all our homeland junker security jump up. She never mean anything bad. She never see. Everybody start trying to calm it down now, you know, because them know. All curly stay. So, everybody else in the comment know on our homeland security we have our wrench. Start to her say, she never say nothing bad. That's how them stay, them love come and this and that. And everybody start beg it out. So Marcia go say, no, but she must say something. Because me hear her, me get up and me hear her on one blogging page. At the title, me see me jump on it and me look me here say, she depend on what Marcia nobody come cuss me. So I wish she said that for them. If she not do nothing, I wish she not say nothing. True, me not get to listen to it. But me hear her out of your mouth, me hear Tina say it. What Marcia come cuss me. So I must something she say. Anyway. Them in the comment and then try to type to make Marcia not get off. But Marcia not to take it so lightly. But me can't tell you. Before the evening done, she go and get the full story. Because me know she go and go look for the live. I'll do it gone. But tell her so she can't come over here so. Or no tag her. And tell her so she can't come over here so. I want to send my live go get my video go get her so she will hear. Cause me can't tell her as me tell her when I don't do this video I go and go look to if it gone because I know that she go and move it. But it out there already. It out there already to girl you can't move it. Marcia coming for you. But anyway, Marcia did say her 2 cents on one the same video and she leave hanging. Cause she curious what took in place. So as me say, she go and come back out. On a listen feed. But I go and go on this because I don't know how I go and keep on posted. I not make on keep on self posted. I go and keep on posted. So on do they do? Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. If you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, on your grandma tell you know, go and go subscribe. Because she have some excitement over the phone and some big people galang in. So you know, go over there because she says somehow over here on call up, you know. I want to foul up. She need to get to pull out and get warm. So she got go on some hey. She said she got go on some young girl style over there. So better try go subscribe. But she said not until the channel reach 3,000 subscribers. And she said, if you look and tell her the exact figure. And me look a while ago. And it need 256 more subscribers to reach that 3,000. Easy something that you do over here. Too much on over here when you subscribe. So if you go subscribe over there, easy 1, 2, 3 that like ABC. I want to go and see grandma. Hey, she body I see. And she said she and her, I go perform too. Because I spooky there with her, you know. Yeah, man, I spooky there. Oh, no, no, I miss that. So go and go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV. And when grandma talk, remember, For serious. She no pop girl and she no gig girl. Alright. So, make a jump in a Marcia, no? Because that's what they offer. So, this is just a eye opener for Marcia based on where she hear she not get the full story yet. But she go along and people. In other, more than one time she bring me to that stage where I want to feel sorry for her, you know. But you see when you try to feel, you see her bring you to that stage, yeah, and you feel like you want sorry for her. And you remember say, this is not somebody where people feel sorry for. Because every time it has been proven that people try to reach out to her because they're sorry for her, she disrespect them. But Marcia almost have a breakdown in that video, yeah. And it's not the first. It's enter here, get up in that type of feelings, yeah. Till she all point the finger, you see the finger the point. What this mean? If me a point and me a talk, me say, you see you, look on my finger. Me a talk to Uno now. No look, the whole of Uno me a talk to. And look how me a point my finger. And look how steady my hand and my finger is. You see you, me can't bother with you, you know. Me not like your behavior. You see your behavior, it not good. See Marcia wanna, how me tell you, nerves. Nerves. And when I say nerve, you know, say, it can break down. Because of the temper where she in her. You know, earphone herself. And I will also probably show you. No, I can't show you because I did not video it and it's not the live me I play. Me start get a little smarter now because them love delete. So, I use the phone and update as me telling you. So I just draw for the next phone and record. Pan the next phone. Got 3 phone, you know, yeah.
So now wasting a rascal money investing in my life.
Come up, Marcia, talk to them.
Unstoppable.
Unstoppable. I will sing that song there again. My father. I'm unstoppable, Marcia said.
I wasting a rascal.
She cuss a couple bad words in another video you're doing people, so don't be weird. Look out for it. Prepare for the bad word then. She cuss a few. Are the one pop that,
Get the hell out of here.
you know, when she bust the machine pan rapid, you know it go. Are the automatic one that, but this are the one pop.
Every day when I get up at top of house, like this and that and where bush part me live. You see me look like me blood clot now, don't you live?
Of course, Marcia, come on. What's she saying now with Philip? Thank God for the work. Hey, I know the money we get from the work make you thank God for the work, you know. Or the position where take you out here to have a shelter over your head. Because you can't afford a Marriott right now. So that you thank God for.
That's it. I wanna tongue and cancel on a pussy. Money come give me.
All that you want, Marcia, how the Rasta job this? Marcia, no man, you're going low now, man. Me know F-R-E-E in your name. But come on, Marcia, you want someone to sell them and give you the money? So you're not good enough to sell? You're not good enough to give you for free? I just seen sweet me you cause woman will sell them something. But no, you promote them because sell it and carry the money come here. Oh, so no price on the pan for your own, that's why you have to give it to free. Because if you need money so much that you want people to sell them crutch and carry the money come give you. After a few days ago, you were against woman selling crutch. Crutch she give you for love. But no, you said this is coming like a 2-year crutch. No had no value. Okay. No price on the pan for your crutch. I see. No, I see, Marcia.
That's all. Go sell him a pussy to this pussy clot piece of waste. I mean, I'm gonna wait. When I make blood clot money to me, I make it up.
Jesus.
the channel? Come take this pussy clan. I don't have no Jamaican passport. I have American passport. I'm American.
I'm not Jamaican.
No blood clot Jamaican.
No Jamaican.
It's American.
So, T-Dog, you hear that? So, how you want Jamaican to turn around and help American citizens when them have so much privilege? Huh? Answer that. Because most of who in the diaspora, you know. And most of who there are Jamaicans. And you come earlier on today, or this morning reaching out, want help from Marcia. I never know that you were a messenger. Me never know you were a messenger. Luciana, come sing that song there for me. Me never know she was a messenger. You understand? And you the woman that tell us she alright.
I give up my rights as in Jamaica. Almost 40 years now. Me are no blood clot Jamaican.
40 wasted years. "40 wasted years of your life." Wow. If you use even 20 of that.
What is going on? Where you mean say what was Tina? What Tina say about me? What was Tina say? Because me hear one blogging page and play something this morning. What did Tina say about me? Because I heard something in a blogging page when Tina said and I said, oh, Marcia, don't come cuss me. So why would Tina say that? Because I didn't listen to Tina, man. Maybe say all man that do me have to do. What is going on? Because I didn't listen to Tina tape. What did it?
At this point, you know, people. At this point.
What did Tina say? Because I heard somebody playing a video this morning.
At this time, as I say, people. Hey, me no know. It's like them put on band-aid over Marcia mouth. Because it's true, some of the people in I comment to her say she don't say nothing, she never mean anything bad, she never mean anything. Marcia said, what do you mean she never mean nothing bad? But I hear she said something. But true, most of them are wrench as them say it, because like them they depend on the live or them hear, me not know. So it come like that calm her down because she herself claim to say she never hear the full video, she just see the title upon her video and when she click on it, she did a little bit too, she hearing Tina say, I don't know, Marcia come cuss me, I don't know. So she knows that something has been said, but she don't know what. But me can't guarantee you before the night done, she a go search that live. And she a go decide for her mind for herself. And me know one decision she a go make. She a go come out against Tina. And as me say, if she don't do that, she full of corruption. Like when a sore foot full of pus. You know the reason why? Me remember who come out here and said something simple. Where it was direct into her favor. And she come out, she never take it well. And with Tina come out. Alright, just look at it. 99 come out what day. When time the whole eviction thing did go on. Like she had tried to say, boy, alright, if you can't help her and whatsoever. I don't remember if she directly said she I go. You know? I don't remember how Marcia come out on her page and go on. So you judge no T-girl now come out now. I got come publicly crying out for help. Requesting help from the same 99 for help Marcia. And if Marcia play dump on this, something wrong. Something wrong, something not right. So, me there have to see. And me can't tell you she go and search this video before the day done because she want to make her decision herself. Son, come up chunk on my foot the people. And thunder they are rolling up.
So why would Tina say something like that? Why would I come concern? What did Tina say?
Question it them, Marcia. Big question sign must be there.
Tina could never say that.
That's what she said. You need help.
Tina could never say that. What kind of help me need?
But them don't want to tell you who she beg for help you.
You're talking about help to trace the people on social media?
That your thing?
That would be the answer. So
That your thing? And that your pick? And that your pick? You're going surprise.
You mean need help to trace, you know? The bad man and dirty people on social media, like I said.
You're going surprise when you find out.
So I'm
And no, nobody no type and say, she has said Dana for help you, you know. She has said 99 for help you, you know. All no, nobody no type that. All them a type. She no say nothing bad. She never mean nothing in a bad way. She never this. Cause them no want Curly get out. What me say? All no, all them a this try cool her down, cool her down. She no say nothing bad. Wait. All no, them no tell her say Tina come out. I request help from 99 for you because you need help. And you really need help. Because at one stage she actually said she really need help. Oh?
That is it. I must that. I want the umbrella then. That's the only help me need. More people are going to trace after the blood clot and football.
No, you want only for help, Marcia. That'll kill you, your pride, man. You stop make your pride get the better of you, Marcia. This is why you now get no help.
That's the only help me need. That's the only thing that can say me need help for. We want trace off. We get more people are going to call in for a program and trace off on the Ross. That's the only thing she can say when it comes to help.
So you want help this or too? That's why they go farm alliance. But you're a big deal. You alone are supposed to can't do it, man. You're a big deal, you know, so you alone supposed to can't do it. But guess what, me know? You wanna be 99 so flipping bad. Yeah. You wanna be 99 so flipping bad. That everything you think 99 involved in a, you want get yourself involved in a it too. You just have a 99 so flipping bad. Because you just feel like it's a true. We out here, you have if you say boy, she have we for cuss for her. So that you want alliance stuff to come cuss to you. You understand? Because if you're a big deal, you don't need nobody to cuss to you, man. You want someone that the big broad mouth the way you have a cuss so much suck and lot and clot. You don't need nobody to cuss to you. The only thing you need to do is step up on your cussing. Your vocabulary too low. You need to increase it. Because all your cussing sound the same way. If me now see one video and me I listen to the audio and you cuss somebody last week Tuesday right down to Sunday and come this week, yeah, cuss again. Trust me, I swear the same somebody yeah cuss. When a different somebody, cause guess what? You cuss everybody the same. Man, woman, picnic and child. You cuss them just the same. Same words. Everything, nothing no change.
Why would she say me need help?
You soon find out. Them no want to tell you, but you go find out. Maybe so long them are going to hide it from you. Because you are going searching for it.
So anytime you give me the right, so nobody can say me need help. If you go nowhere, but to a psychiatrist, I go right into Hartford Wheeler Clinic. I go speak to anybody when they want to speak to.
Bet it's a free clinic that, because she not pay no money for do nothing, you know. Must a free clinic that.
Don't listen to any of them. I want them wife to Costina, but what me a Costina for?
You so know.
But I'm just saying, what me hear Tina say what I want out in the video. Say I want Marcia to come cuss me. So why would she say something like that? When me hear when somebody play the video this morning, why would she say something like that and said, I want me to come cuss her? So why would she say something
You
like that?
soon find out, Marcia. Before the day done, me know you're going searching.
Say I want me to come cuss her. Why would she say something like that? I mean, I didn't listen to Tina this morning, but me hear thought I would about our blogging page. Say I want me to come cuss her. So what was said? I mean, never listened to her this morning. Me busy. But me hear thought I would about with our video doing said I want me to come cuss her. So me
Them are hide things from you. Fire the whole of them all Homeland Security. Fire them. Them are hide things from you. Them not have your back, Marcia. Right, ask them. Fire them. Take with them wrench, Marcia. Wow. She knows so much about you and talking like that. She really knows so much about you and talking like that.
No problem. If they have problem before, they don't have the problem now. If they have little struggling with financial problem to make up a little dividends when sheet is slow, my little part time.
But you just get to work, Marcia. Bills pile up on you, Marcia. You praise the little work you're getting at about 42 hours a week. You earn about $600 a week. Marcia, come on. The amount of debt you're in right now, the amount of people you're going to owe and things where you offer. Marcia, 1 or 2 weeks can't cover that the bill, Marcia. Come on, Marcia, man. You make it look like you do the work for 6 months now, so you cover all the way. You know, them will put bills the way they owe and you kind of straighten out yourself. Marcia. Stop. Yo. People, let me tell you this. Me is not a beggar, you know, people. Me I tell you the honest truth. Me is not a beggar. But if me, if it there and have that platform, yeah, I saw me I gonna know if you're not supportive. Yeah, man, I saw me I gonna know. This will beat your Marcia. This will beat you for the rest of your life because you fear to accept something where it's in the public domain. Look at what can I provide, nothing yet for you, Marcia. This can't put you back on your foot so quick. 2 weeks? Not even 2 weeks good? Put your back on your foot for over 7-8 months, you're the half of your foot. What kind of work this on a $600? You say?
So the only problem, the only thing that I need in my life is to make sure money is coming in to take care of my responsibility. Yeah, and if she business is slow, I have a little part-time. I have a little, but it's not a part-time job because I work 7 days a week. 6 hours a week. So that is a full 40 hours right there.
A part-time job, man.
That is a
But it's just that you work certain hours. Marcia, it is a part-time job. Marcia, part-time job don't mean the hours where you work, the long hours where you work. Part-time job mean you're not a permanent person. So you could have worked 10 hours a day. That not make you be a permanent person. If the work where you do required you to work 10 hours, or the person wanted to work 10 hours, that's 10 hours. That not mean you're not part-time, a part-time job you have. So don't go on like it's something permanent you have where you sign a contract to say, okay, a 6-month or a 3-month contract or a 1-year contract. And even put it this way, there is no such work as permanent. You understand? No such work as permanent. Because you can't tell a boss when to fire you from when not to fire you. But we understand when we say temporarily and permanently. But a part-time job you have to master. Probably who did I do the job can manage, so them just pull you in and split the hours. Probably 2 somebody couldn't manage the hours, so them split the hours and I use 3, probably, just say. And it's so funny. I just, up to last week, you come out and you put down the people that you do that type of job. Yeah. You always do it every minute in your your life them or you do it. But I just last week, you come out and you put down these type of people. And you make it look like, okay, all the jobs in America or all the jobs that these Jamaicans then, put it that way, is doing in America is this type of job. Because there is no other job for them. They have no other qualification. This is the easiest way out for them. You know, and see it, look where you find yourself. Because you're desperate. You understand? And not desperate, say, you're desperate for a work, you know. You're desperate for somewhere to live. So when you hear that, okay, it's a privilege for you to get that empty room around there. You don't have to be going back and forth. You couldn't do nothing else but accept the job. Because F-R-E-E in your name and you know so free that no, because you say basically they are saying you don't have to pay any bills. And then they know say your middle name that soon becomes your first name. F-R-E-E, free. Shall I tell you how our pay goes?
You understand? Coming from a good place.
Yeah, them still at try fishing a Cuss Tina. So what Tina say is coming from a good place.
I don't know what Tina was saying, but Tina not supposed to discuss nothing about me. Other than trace of the people them. Whatever she was coming from, my life is Tina should not be discussing my life.
And crying out for help for you. She out of order for you.
Tina should not be discussing nothing.
I see disrespectful to you for you. Me not lie, disrespectful. Tina was very disrespectful.
My name and my situation should not be in a discussion where she's coming from a good place or not. It should not be in a
She mean you know good in what she said, but coming from a good place. She's disrespectful.
So my life should Tina should not discuss it. Because if she go and say something regarding anything, the blogger said is going to reach is going to go with it and say she attacked bad about because that's exactly what the headline is this morning.
But it's exactly what she's doing. Psychology she use. Psychology she using. Exactly what she do. She know this is not. This shouldn't be something that she comes out come do because it's not like you touch mud yet. You're about to touch mud, but you're not touching mud yet. If you say, boy, you need somebody to draw you out. And she one of your acquaintance so she can't come draw you out. You not reach mud yet, Marcia. I mean, not lie. You're near mud, but you're not reach yet. So she shouldn't do this. She will leave you if you come out, you know, man up, you know, woman up, you know, and firm up and come out and reach out and said, okay, plankers, I apologize to you. And Donna, or address her properly, Dr. Donna Marie Gow, I apologize to you and the plankers, you know, for all that I have been doing during the past 3 years, you know. And honestly, you know, I was just doing this because I want some fame and I'm jealous over how you come into social media and, you know, and you just hit the forefront, leave me alone and stuff like that. And, you know, I have myself as a big deal because I have been out here for over a decade and more. And I never see this love for nobody else. I never ever see it. And I catch my jealous. Honestly, I catch my jealous 99. So, oh, sorry, Dr. Donna Marigo. So, I am just asking you and the planker to forgive me. And see if you can reach out to me and assist me in whatever way you can. I know no phone not gonna like me still, and no phone not gonna forgive me. But me just talk my mind and me just beg on the forgiveness. If you reach out or so, I will willing to accept it. The other day when 99 you reach out in them time when we get evicted and stuff, I was a bit ignorant because, you know, as me say, me just jealous over everything what you do. Yeah, come out, come say something. But when she ever come out, come do it for you. It look like you reach mud. I mean, I see you reach mud yet, Marcia. I mean, not lie. I just the reality I think me I talk about the truth. Me not pick up for Marcia and I don't like me I push down Tina. Me not like none of them. And when I say not like none of them, me not mean from me heart. You understand? Just social media, yes, so. Because when me come off my phone, I hit that. Me don't remember Marcia or Tina till me come back. You understand? So I know from the heart, me not like them. So no don't get it twisted. But when me I say Marcia, she feel leave that part there to you, man. Me see it as disrespectful, downgrading, and she's just like the people them who you that call haters then. Put it that way there. Are we the plankers that call you haters? I call you all kind of name and bring it down where you call haters. You know? Tina put herself in our position, honestly. And she's your acquaintance. She shouldn't do that. Tina, why you do that? That didn't look good this morning, Tina. And I know Marcia is going to come at you. So I only hope you're prepared for it. She's coming.
That's why we click on it. Because if she said anything in any form of way, where it seems like if she's like saying Marcia should have cussed bad word and Marcia should do it, because I heard a part where she said that she have to come off and stop listen. And the woman start laughing and say, see what me I talk about? This is, you see? She shall let down Marcia right this up. Me not listen to it. But if Tina is going to discuss something on the farm, she have to stick to the bloggers them out the way about her. She cannot come and say nothing regarding my life because nothing wrong with me.
Oh, you mean talk about fear life? She out of order. Me stand with you, Marcia. Anytime you come out fear, me there for you.
Yes, because she come out with her t-shirt yesterday. I mean,
she switched now and gone for 99.
Because she hear the story with the girl. So she just feel like she has to go for you. So she come out and put her t-shirt but stagnant, she shall not be a motion. But me know say me shall drop up. She can't drop out because me not stagnant. And me shall drop out because...
You see it? The woman come out with her t-shirt marked stagnant. Why you feel like you the woman attack and a drop out pan? And Tina will come out, you make your homeland security them, where you call homeland security. You understand? You rinse as them in a comment section and calm you down. You understand? And Tina will them to allow you to come out and voice your voice pan with what she do this morning when me see as disrespectful and degrading, downgrading, all kind of grading. Them calm you down. Fear not go at Tina. But them now can't stop it, calm you down for how long. Just see that brief moment. But you're going to reach an underpants moment soon. Or panty moment soon. That is just for a brief moment. But now the woman put on her Gansy and come on her platform and I do want to say what she said. She never say Kakai. She never say TT. She never say Curly. She never say Never Bless. She never say Warm Bless. She never say nothing at all pertaining to you more than she attack. And as she you want to go for. As she have strength for. As she stop your food. Me don't know. Me just ask.
I should be leaving where I play the dirty boy show. You understand? She believe in what I play upon it, so she come out and I laugh. No, I am just saying. She come out and I laugh. And nothing wrong with me. Me don't know what I'm talking about. Me I live with, you know, me not ask you know. Me I live for pussy club, me don't know what I'm talking about social media. Me not ask you know.
So if you stop asking help for the woman because she'll live better than Uno. She'll live better than we. So no stop asking help for her on the ear now. Loud and clear. Stop sorry for her. Alright.
I'm more nicer than Uno. I'm more caring and loving and I'm 100% stress free more than Uno.
Uno hear that? One more no want hear.
Me I tell Uno straight up without hesitation and limitation.
I don't want people to take up them hard working money gear. Somebody will better off than we.
Me stress free more than Uno happy Uno. Me not lie. Uno have to take my video to make money.
You know, say Marcia to behave herself still, me not lie. Me dey offer $200 you know. Couple months ago when the eviction time, you know. Seriously, me would send it go gear, me not lie. Despite she come out and talk, yeah, she just say it, me soon me couldn't hear it. So we have to take fear name and make money. But fear own name can't make she make no money. And why do you say, oh, Chin? I say Chin point out something over there and I look point and I say, see that for true, I don't lie. Because she say a fear name we have to use to make money. And I see a little individual out there with a channel. And that person that come out, she never try to do nothing. She not do nothing bad where or talk, do play no video or do no video where I send a form a negative signal towards Marcia because basically as what Marcia said, them I use our video them to build them channel, and when them reach, then turn against her. She big up the girl right here too, and I say, I don't know, hope me I watch her, me I watch her, me I watch her. But what me I say, when you check that girl video, if you call in your name Marcia, 8 out of every 10 videos she posts is about you. You understand what me I say to you? And me not see she creating a great wave calling your name Marcia. And this is what me I say, Marcia, it's not about your name. It's about who I call your name. It's about the content where the platform I carry calling your name. So it's not your name, Marcia. So me tell you, take that out of your head. Your name not no price, your name not no weight. It's just who I deliver, what them I deliver where our content is concerned. You understand? Make it look like your name a true weight. Come on, Marcia. Marcia, I do a video with your name, you know, and it have less views, you know. So as me say, are the content will come behind your name. Come do video with your name, we don't get no great views. And if your name was so much, Marcia, come on, everybody call your name would have make views. If you even make no money. Then would have get views and I make money, Marcia. Come on, I know your name, Marcia. You lose your when you look like you're not search. But Marcia, all of your go in clothes and my judging clothes. The same clothes that you're judging now, and say a judging clothes and you go in clothes them. Because you're not buying nothing expensive, as I say. You're not buying nothing expensive, Marcia. And you're going to say, see when me wear my short here the month a week, from me know you, I'm most a week me see you know. Few of the time you hear short yes, but I'm most a week. But it's just that on a quality dear wig. And this is what you used to use and fool the people them when them used to see you. You know, these all the synthetic and cheap wig and cheap clothes. Them the things say are some expensive clothes you have. But you finally come out and say, you know, buy expensive clothes. But the impression of how you used to behave, just as me say, if me put on the Ganzi and it now have a big name on it, people say cheap Ganzi and it this and it that. But make one of them big celebrity star put it on. I went to value $1, them say $1 million for the Ganzi. So you see, just because them a celebrity, them a tell themselves, I don't know cheap them man they have on, you know, I don't know cheap them woman they have on, you know. So I just you that now. How you portray yourself in a phone and people used to see in a real life, yes, it seems like this woman will have it like that. You understand? And so when them see a dress, or when you dress value $1, them feel like it's $1 million. But over a period of time, the people them grow to see that you are nobody, you're not on a deal. There's no farmer deal at all. You understand? It's just like a capture land where everybody can just see the land and just capture and build something upon. No deal not upon the land. No price not upon the land. It's just a capture land because a swamp area. Yeah, people just take the risk and just go build upon it. Mm-hmm.
So it never makes sense to talk to them. No time at all. It's stupidity. It never makes sense to worry about me. Worry about me for what? Worry about me for what?
Tell them to pray for you, yeah?
I mean, take a pussy clad look at me. I look down. Wanna look like somebody at me? Huh? You wanna look at me? When I love pushing up in my ears, hold it up. Hold on there, look at it right. Wanna need fast life. And if you don't need to get a rise, you don't need a good fuck. I don't know who's and my father did that. So what is the problem? And you want to buy soap to wash my pussy? And you have to get one.
Well, when you listen yes or no, the blood pressure gone up, temperature rise, voice get strong, throat get dry. Not mine, you know. Listen. Head gone, head gone, head chip. Head chip.
Over there, some blog at same page. Who are talking about me? One, when you post the class to go over. Wanna go over?
Head a chip, head a chip.
Me don't have no respect for myself. I don't have one. Me have respect for myself. Me don't have no respect for who no. Me have respect for myself. I don't have no bomb or pussy blood. That is it. But me have respect for myself. That's why me treat myself good and nice. But me not have no respect for no. Not a bomb or pussy blood. Me not have. Not a bomb or blood respect. So who no fuck? I want no blood clot.
I will climb the maca tree, you know. I will climb the maca tree, you know. Blood pressure. Call the paramedic, call the paramedic. 119, 119. 119, paramedic, paramedic.
I just feel almost talk about. They don't want to give them on their pocket. Who is giving them? Every fucking day they come out and come turn on my business. Don't buy this and don't buy that. Don't She's so ugly. She homeless. She did that. She brought the homeless man every fucking day. They don't want me to get one harassment for themselves. Eh? All when we go get one homeless man, them still jealous of me and I chat me. They say me a homeless man. Me have this man here. Me don't have the URL number. I'm putting on the box. Name of the video where you get it from. And put the minutes.
Marcia seeking admin. Admin wanted. Admin wanted.
Now 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes put on the rice box. If at 3 minutes and 45 seconds, they're going to put 3 minutes and 2 little small that.
Marcia, remember your salt, you know. A sea salt, coast salt, or river salt. River of salt? Me don't know. But it come like a river salt, you have, if you have river salt. I first me about that one day come like it's salt and the rest are salt. Because everybody you try to assist you, then mash you up. So mind this admin you gonna leak out all of your business and mash you up more, you know, Marcia. Marcia says she looking at admin, she looking at real supporter though. Oh, you gonna know them real, Marcia? Oh, you gonna know say them? Desperate times call for desperate measures. Marcia says she wants to start put some of her name on her picture on her thumbnail. Listen to her. Strike them like lightning.
Before they even stop them short behind them videos. We need somebody fast.
Fast.
So as soon as them start playing, you record it.
Might get that person too fast and I hear play. I hear a page take down.
We put in the strike on them blood clots.
Marcia, remember, you know, the video where you threatening me, Marcia, and call me name, you know. It's there on my hard drive. The one recently where you say you pay $500 US to find out information for me. It just gone on the hard drive. Me have about 6 videos for you on my hard drive where you're not threatening me in it. You offer me physical things. So, Marcia, when you're ready, I am ready, Marcia. Yeah, Marcia? When you're ready, I am ready. And one thing, when me I go them say fight fire with fire. Me no fight fire with fire. Because me no believe say fire can out fire. You know what me fight fire with? Something will ignite fire. something will ignite fire, and that me fight it with. And at the end of the day, me choose to use that because what? Me I gonna know how to spread it so it won't, the fire won't burn me. So if you get the privilege to burn off of me, remember that flame now gonna stop burn until when me look and see the rubbish turn ashes. Make sense out of nonsense. You don't need me to say no more. Me need not say no more. So you remember, me about 5 to 6 videos of you upon my hard drive. The one what there since week here. When I find what you do, I say you offer anybody $500 US dollar information upon me. The one where you say you have to call some man and set up some of them boy if box me down and kick me down and whatsoever. You remember all that one there? Yes man, I have them Marcia. And that is not social media now where you got to talk about take down page and strike. That is more than taking down a page or strike. That's criminal matter. Alright? That is a criminal matter. So, anytime you're ready, me ready. Me say this already, I'm going to tell you now again. You have a policeman in the Olympic garden. He a thief water. And him neighbor thief light. Me talk this already, I'm going to talk it again. Him a police, you know. Him a thief water. Him bridge the main and a thief water. And the man a thief light. Because him and the man can't agree. For what reason, I don't know. You don't ask me. Him report the man thief in light. JPS and police come. The man no say him do it. Because him say him I go do it. But in the back of him head, probably him no arm. Remember say the man no say a thief, him a thief water. So the man report him to NWC. And NWC come and police come. Dig out with chalk tank, dig out the whole line and him water. Learn from what me I say. You understand? Learn from what me I say. So you report me say me a thief light, you never remember say you a thief water. Oh. So Marcia come, we're ready when you're ready. I mean other people say them ready for you too when you're ready. So when you me say too, when you dig hole, don't dig one. Dig two, sometimes you dig all a spare one too. Because by the time the hole ready for you, you might oversize and can't hold another one there, so you build a spare one bigger. Remember.
And them come on social media and I show off them raw self. And me over YouTube and them over YouTube too. How easy is that? 1, 2, 3, bam, bam, bam. To invest in my page because my page can make money. Come on, say this. We need somebody who knows to put the thumb drives. We know to put it.
Thumbnail she want to say, no, but she said thumb drive. A thumbnail she want to say.
Yes, I bought a thumb drive for $50 last for 1 year. All kind of same thing. But I need somebody who is very creative. If you take me look at pictures them.
She said she buy a thumb drive. Cause you know you have the ready make things them where you can buy and apps and stuff like that. Yeah. So I said she buy. We serve her for 1 year. But it's not thumb drive, Marcia. It's thumbnail. Thumbnail, not thumb drive. Because you come out here and say 99 can't pronounce word and she use big word when I know the meaning. And every day you do the same thing.
Write up the words there with a subtool because those things help attract viewers to your page.
Yeah, learn from other people where you know like it. The same people them where you have surface strike. Yeah, learn from them. That if you do man, learn and make your money. You fool you. And that if you do learn and make your money.
Just plain so. Nobody now watch them. So if you could have 3,000 by having a little creative content in the middle, that's why they put up all kind of so we not go so. So we need somebody who is very creative to form those cartoon characters just like what them I do. We need somebody to put up some pictures with them.
Yeah, I have a Marcia. Me give you 6 thumbnail for $100. Every 6 thumbnail you give me $100. US dollar, you know. I can sell you some thumbnail. Just tell me who you want on them. If I speak my mind you want, tell me. If I chin you, you pay $50 for sitting where you can't use. You hear what I gotta do now? I give you a deal. Give me $100 and I give you half dozen thumbnail. So if you want to speak my mind on the thumbnail, just tell me what you want, how you want it set up. If you want him set up like a rat, a puss, a dog. If you want chin pan it, if you want it set up like a pig, a goat, or a ass, tell me. If you want latest pan it, just tell me how you want them set up. But $100 for every 6 of my money have to come in my account before I send off your 6 thumbnail. All if I speak my mind you want pan it, you will get it. You understand? Because we want you to make money, you know. We want you to come out of this position where you're in. We want your channel start make money. So you can link me about the thumbnail, man. You don't have to worry about that. But it's $100 for 6. Me I give you as a deal. $100 for 6.
Yes, I'm broke today. Remember, say me poor and needy. I'm a homeless man, not money. And as a matter of fact, I am going to have to go send $6 to him right now.
You're talking like a joke, but you might serious. Yeah, they are talking like a joke, but you might serious. But anyway, speak your mind, people. You can't ball again 2 videos in a 1 day. But as I promise, you know, once the content is there, we will get the 2 videos a day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. I don't think I'll go 3, but I go on 2. Once the content is there, because as I said, sometimes I have all 4 videos upload on my phone and I wait for day to day. And sometimes I upload one for post tomorrow and something drop when I feel like I hit figure out there right now, and then it's time for the one there for drop tomorrow, and then come the other day so and keep the one there way back. Show me I say 1 video a day I go drop. So I go start drop 2 videos a day once the content is there. So you can look out for the morning video and look out for the evening video, if so be the case. So when I get 2 videos today, this is the warm up of Marcia until she get the chance to hear Tina video if it is there. And if it's not there, basically it's already out there, screen record and recorded on other channels. So she go and go find it and then make fair own decision and assumption about the whole video. So all Homeland Security will have range on our channel. We are trying to hold our mouth together this morning. It's only when she go look for herself now. You can calm her down, she take a wrench round and bang in on the head. Bang, bang, bang them. Them is not with your Marcia. Take a wrench and bang them and run them. Speak mind, people. Bless upon yourself. As me say, weatherman promise rain from Tuesday right back till Wednesday till Friday, Saturday. Well, we get a couple in and out. It mostly fall down in the evening, like in the 5, 6 o'clock bells. But when you wake up morning time, it gets bleaky and windy, but you still feel that heat there push despite the sun not out like that. So right now the place bleaky. But bless upon yourself. It's your boy Speak My Mind. And remember, if you don't want to see grandma, go over life is a mission. Go subscribe, make it reach 3,000. If you grandma say any day it reach and me call her and say ropes. If she even do go. Papa have to get up. What I say? Miss P have to get up. Because she's a woman of her word. And she have come to the video. Alright? She there for 4 weeks. Bless upon herself.